Hey y'all, this is my 2025 Spyder F3 in British green. I'm also trying out this new camera I got on my lapel to see if the microphone picks anything up and see how it looks when I go for a ride on this. So I just got this a couple months ago maybe, and I'm going to try to bend over a little bit so you guys get a good view. I can't tell what I'm filming because it's in first person perspective. Some of the stuff I really dig. I dig this bottle holder on here. I did a little video on that. It holds this really nice and clean. Just going to go for a quick little run. Hopefully this camera's recording. I mean, I guess I could look at it. Who wants to see me? Let's see. Yay. Hey, that's me. Hey, we're recording. All right. Back in. Coverage up. All right, let's do this. This bike is awesome. I added the windscreen on there. It's much taller. It's got an adjustable setup. The adjustable setup absolutely does not work on the sports shield that comes with it. And we're in gravel, so let's try not to peel out. Now this camera doesn't allow Bluetooth microphones, which I think is stupid for an action camera. I think really they need to update that and make that something so I can wear my clothes helmet. It's also pretty windy out here today, so I don't know. Yay! We're gonna race. Yeah. These Spyders are great. They downshift by themselves. You can downshift it manually, but I don't mess with that. I just let it do its thing. And then I upshift, of course, with my thumb right here. I'm hoping the windshield and the noise reduction buffers out some of this wind, and you can actually hear some of this that I say. I'm going to guarantee you, when I do this on my chopper, we're not going to hear anything on that. guess I should have said we're in East Texas and it's 75 today, so it's really nice out. A little windy though. This thing turned super well. I think that turned at 660 up to there, 70 something miles an hour. There's a lot of people out riding today. It's really nice. It's been kind of cold all week. Yay, we made it home. It's winter. It looks like fall in my driveway. It's freaking crazy. All these leaves I gotta blow out. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed that little ride. Hopefully it came out all right. Thanks. Bye.